Let's look at how we can be able to import data from a database. So I have a data from Microsoft Access. There are several types of database, but in this case, we're going to look at how we can be able to import data from MS Access. So go to your Home tab and click on Get Data. And then you'll be able to see the different sources from where you can be able to get data. Apparently, you can see Microsoft Access. So what I would advise you to do is click on More. Once you click on More, you'll be able to see more options pop out. So we have Microsoft Access here. So I want us to click on Microsoft Access, then connect. So on the list of files that I have provided for you through the link, you'll be able to see this file by the name SC221MDB. So click on that file, then OK. So after clicking on that file, you'll be able to see the list of tables in that database. So here are the list of files. For we have a table by the name callback queue. We've got several, and the last table is called workload team. So if you want to import the table, then you have to check the box. Then you'll also be able to see the preview of the table here. Let me try to import just two tables. We have the table called callback queue and another one called conduct queue. So I only want to import those two tables. Then you can see the preview of the last table, which is conduct queue. Just some names, last name, phone number, date and date time, some notes. So I'm going to click on load. And once I click on load, then you'll be able to see you can see the tables are being processed here. We got some processing done. So once the processing is done, then this is going to allow us move to the next step of importing this data. So you can see it is trying to detect if there are any relationship, and finally we have the tables on our data model. You can see we have this table, which is callback queue. You can see um, the columns for callback queue. You can still see the columns for conduct queue. So that is how you import data from our database. There are several types of databases, but in this case, we have been able to load or import data from MS Access. So thank you for watching the video. In our next video, we are going to see how to import data from a text